springs?
What? No.
Let's do Kenny down.
You want a churro?
The boating's lined up a bit though.
Hey man, can I get two?
Doesn't show up much on the
Churro. I heard you.
camera though.
So what are they saying you did?
Tamper with the school's attendance records, which I did.
Allegedly. Never admit that.
There we go.
Yeah.
The music teacher leased his computer open during 5th period.
Mm-hmm.
I started to ditch science so I could go to
Hey.
the car. Then I changed it on the computer.
Makes sense.
There's this girl in jazz band, Piper. She started to ditch with me. But then Kevin,
Who's Kevin?
my best friend, at least he was,
What'd Kevin do?
Kevin found out I wanted to ditch too. But he's not even in jazz band. He just wanted to hang out with Piper. I was the one hanging out with Piper. So I'm supposed to go and change his absent and present so he can hang out with Piper?
Happy New Year.
So instead, I gave him 3 more absence.
Good. Send a message.
He got busted and told the vice principal.
Kevin.
So I slashed the tires on his bike. I know, you're disappointed.
I am disappointed. Look, if you're gonna hack a mainframe, you do it quietly. You go into a back door, no fingerprints. But more importantly, the second this kid Kevin knew what you were doing, you got a loose end. Never trust anybody. Anybody. And never let someone get the upper hand on you. Because they'll use it.
Alright, I gotta go practice. I have this dumb winter pageant thing tonight for jazz band.
Pageant? Oof.
I know. I said it was dumb.
Good luck.
We're gonna talk when I come in. I know.
Thought they wasn't progressing.
Yeah, that did. Thanks for picking him up, though. I don't know what's going on with him these days. He's acting out.
Yeah, well, growing up stuff.
Is that why you're avoiding it?
Oh, it's ready.
Yeah. He'd really love to see you more often,
First of all, sorry. Second, could you be more specific? Honestly, you could be talking about 12 different things right now.
Who are you working for?
Lady, I don't know what you're talking about. I work for whoever pays me.
You have about 40 seconds to become helpful before you have a terrible accident. So I'm going to ask you one more time. Who hired you to find him?
Find who?
You know.
I promise you I don't. If I did, I would tell you. I'm not a scrupulous person. You can ask anybody.
The Intercontinental Seismic Surveillance System. Sound familiar?
Yeah, I did that. It was a weird job. Somebody was trying to find someone who was running tests on some weapon systems in the Arctic, and I found the location. And I walked.
For who?
I don't know. I'm telling you, all the communication is encrypted and untraceable. That's how it's supposed to be. So if someone like you shows up, I don't have any answers. Look, I don't ask questions. I just find people that no one else can find. It's what I do.
You really don't know what you did.
I guess not. I mean, I can tell you're very upset about it, though.
Box him up.
Box me out. Wait. What do you mean?
Is this really necessary?
Cool place. How long you been here? M-O-R-A?
Mora, the Mythological Oversight and Restoration Authority.
Come again?
We are the multilateral international organization responsible for securing and protecting the mythological world. Come with me.
Did you say the mythological world?
Yes.
Right. So, Bigfoot, Loch Ness Monster, that kind of thing.
That kind of thing.
Okay. So, things that don't actually exist, you guys are responsible for. Got it.
If he knows anything, he ain't talking.
All right. Horse back to the pen, body back to Area 32, and get the pumpkin back in the cryoflow. Stat.
Yes, Director.
What the hell was that?
The horseman. We're questioning all the usual suspects.
The Headless Horseman?
Hey! What did that taser thing do to my head?
It's not a taser, it's an acquiescer. Just take a deep breath and have a seat, Jack.
What am I doing here?
Last night, at roughly 11 p.m. NPST, Red One, also known as St. Nicholas of Myra, was abducted from the North Pole complex. The data you retrieved from the ISSS was used to pinpoint the location, which has been secure and classified for several hundred years. Use your words.
Are you saying Santa Claus has been kidnapped? And you think I had something to do with it? Where is he? Is that him?
Jack the Wolf O'Malley, meet Callum Drift, commander of the ELF.
The ELF?
Turns out Jack here didn't know what he was doing. Somebody hired him to find the complex, and incredibly, he did.
Who?
He doesn't know.
I don't know.
Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. He always knows something. Sometimes you just gotta shake it out of him.
I'm not gonna like you.
I can tell right away. Out of everyone here, I like you the least.
Garcia. Yeah, Chief. These guys aren't cooperating. Should we do the thing? I'm afraid we're gonna have to.
Yeah, let's talk about this one.
There's nothing to talk about. You can't trust this guy. He's on the list.
What list?
Oh, damn well what list.
Look, I'm not on any watch list. I know for a fact that.
Wait. You know, yes, that list. You're on it. I checked. NL4. Are you telling me this clown is a level 4 naughty lister?
A level 4 naughty lister?
Oh, is that funny to you?
What are we doing here? Come on.
I know this is killing you, but you have to trust me. Dismembering this ship bag isn't gonna help. It would feel good, but it won't help.
I'm right here.
Shut up.
What are you thinking?
We're gonna put it to work.
No. Absolutely not.
Excuse me?
You said you work for whoever pays you. Today, that's me.
He's not telling us everything he knows. Look at him.
He is telling us everything he knows. He just doesn't know who hired him.
Well, I mean, how much are we talking?
Garcia?
Okay, I don't know who it was, but I can figure out where they are. Or where they were last night.
Look, it is anonymous. I don't know who it is. But in my line of work, I need insurance. You know, in case of billing issues. So I Trojan horse a digital tracking bug into the VP.
Oh my God, is it done?
Yeah, contracted advice.
And I suggest you do it.
Can we circle back on the whole paying me thing?
I know if they paid you, we'll double it.
True.
Garcia?
Woohoo.
That was fine. It's Christmas.
Wise choice.
I need my cell phone. Whoever did this is in Aruba.
We're in Aruba.
I work alone.